After eating garlic on empty stomach, this is what happens with your body. People have consumed garlic on a daily basis for centuries, because they have experienced better health. The garlic is good, but somehow it doesn't sound like it would make a nice breakfast, right? In fact, it doesn't sound good for your lunch or dinner either. But when you find out its benefits, the wind of changes will eventually hit at you point. If you mind the smell of raw garlic, then stop. So, why is it good to eat garlic on an empty stomach? Eating a head of garlic, normally baked garlic, never raw unless you are a superhero, in the morning, right before breakfast time, has numerous benefits. 1. You are less likely to get topical infections. Many people apply garlic to their skin to treat fungal infections and warts. Only a small amount of garlic can help fight warts. They will fall off painlessly. Some people use it to fight tooth pain by placing a little bit on the tooth that hurts. Some evidence also suggests that the topical use of garlic is effective against infections such as ringworm and athlete's foot. 2. Your blood pressure stabilizes. Many people who suffer from hypertension have found the garlic to be a relief to this disease's symptoms. A study implies that several cloves of garlic can significantly reduce hypertension. 3. Your inflammation and respiratory problems are reduced. The garlic is a great healer if you have acute or chronic respiratory problems. Some women stated that it helped them treat and prevent pneumonia, chronic bronchial catarrhs, chronic bronchitis, lung congestion, whooping cough, and more. You will be less likely to catch a cold or the flu too, which is especially important during pregnancy.